Good morning, Sea Dogs, or afternoon, or mid-afternoon, or late afternoon, or whatever time it is you are watching the screencast. I hope everybody's doing good and staying safe today with all of the inclement weather. I just want to give y'all a compliment from yesterday. Y'all did an excellent job of getting to your classes. I know that was a crazy schedule and it was a long time to be on Zoom, and you did fabulously. If you messed up, you're not the only one. Ask questions, send emails. I'm so proud of each and every one of y'all. Today, we're going to start ancient Greece geography. I keep getting Greece and Rome switched up. Don't let me do that. If you haven't already done so, you need to turn in your vocabulary. It's a little different than the last two times we've done it. If you want instructions or if you're not clear on how to do it, go to this screencast and it will tell you within the first 2 minutes of how to turn in your vocabulary, all right? Today, we're going to start geography stations. If you look up our schedule, we're going to spend today and tomorrow working on it. And when you click this link, it will give you this document. Obviously, it's going to force you to make a copy. There are 8 stations today. I'm going to give you today and tomorrow. If you do the math, you should complete 4 stations today, 4 stations tomorrow, and then I'm thinking you'll submit this document on Monday for an informal grade. I will pull this from this document, I will pull directly for the test. And I will also let you know that date very soon. So the stations are kind of simple. They shouldn't take you much time to complete, but you do need to pay attention to them because, like I said, make sure to read because I will be asking questions. Some, it's as simple as a reading section with no questions. Others, I want you interacting with maps and answering questions. Again, another reading with some questions. They're not too in-depth, but there's really good information here. There's no videos. It's all reading maps and responding. Some of them take a little bit longer than others. So again, you do want to budget 2 class periods to do these, and we'll be discussing them today, tomorrow, and on Monday. Monday, we're going to take a look at some of the Greek mythology, which for some reason, y'all children really love the mythology. So I can't wait to get to that. Again, if you have questions, ask them in class. I'll be in the Zoom the whole time. Email me, let me know if you have any questions. Please get your first 4 done today, and we'll work on the last 4 tomorrow. Have a great day, Sea Dogs, and I can't wait to see you in social studies.